The 4 ways to make passive income in 2024. Why are people so fascinated by passive income? Why did you click on this video? It's because passive income ignites a longing in us, a desire for freedom. Passive income allows us to wake up whenever we want, travel wherever we wish, and eventually buy whatever we want. Stick around, and I'll share the 4 best passive income ideas for 2024. But first, a quick note. Except for the last strategy I'll discuss, true passive income is a bit of a myth. You can't just snap your fingers and have money appear out of nowhere. Passive income exists, but it requires a shift in how you think about it. It's similar to farming. You plant the seeds first, and then you reap the rewards over time. The first 3 strategies I'll share take some time to establish, but once they're up and running, they can provide ongoing benefits for years. The first passive income strategy is one I've seen friends use to go from $0 to $10K a month quickly, creating a course on Skillshare. Everyone has something they're good at, whether it's fitness, accounting, photography, or even organizing computer files. These are all topics people actively search for on Skillshare. No, it is not a sponsored video, but Skillshare, please sponsor me. Most people worry about 2 things when launching a course: getting an audience and delivering value. Skillshare solves both problems. You don't need to be an expert in ads or marketing, and you don't have to worry about refunds because Skillshare pays you based on the views and watch time your course gets. It's similar to Spotify. Users pay a monthly fee, and creators get paid based on engagement. This setup makes it easier to launch a course with minimal risk and provides the platform and audience you need. If you have a course idea, Skillshare might be the right path for you. The second passive income strategy doesn't require you to create a product or service: affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission. For example, I own a software company that helps agency owners get more clients and streamline their processes. It took a lot of time and money to build, but I also earn hundreds of thousands of dollars annually by promoting other software solutions. Many affiliate programs pay 20 to 40% recurring commissions each month. It's not limited to software. Amazon has the largest affiliate program in the world. By reviewing or recommending products, you can earn a substantial income. Whether you start a blog, a TikTok account, or a Discord channel, building a niche audience can lead to a full-time income by promoting products you believe in. The third passive income idea for 2024 is YouTube. For every video like this one, I typically earn $1,000 to $3,000 from AdSense. Not from this channel, my other channels are making this income. Even if you earned just 10% of that, you'd likely be thrilled to create videos. YouTube is unique because people of all ages, from kids to grandparents, are making 6-figure incomes by posting videos. YouTube is a slow start, but like farming, it pays off over time. Consistency is key. Post 1 to 2 times a week, and within a year, you could be making a full-time income. While YouTube isn't for everyone since it requires putting yourself out there, it's one of the coolest ways to earn passive income. The last passive income strategy is investing, the purest form of passive income. With investing, you only need the capital. Someone else does the work. Investing is the most reliable way to become a millionaire over time. You can invest in the S&P 500, real estate, or cryptocurrency, among others. You have to learn and research of it. The key is understanding what you're investing in and having a long-term perspective. Personally, I invest in cryptocurrency and watches. I believe in the long-term potential of crypto and enjoy the unique risk-reward profile. Watches are a fun, active investment that I understand well and can wear and enjoy. A bonus way. All 4 of these strategies can generate significant passive income, but the real game changer is starting an online business that can make $100,000 a year or more. If you need a video on this topic or detailed video on this 4 topic, then comment down below. I will make detailed video on this topic. By this video and my upcoming video will make your life good. I'm rooting for your success. Now go apply what you've learned and start crushing it.